One of the best things that I've done for my natural hair is incorporating Ayurvedic herbs on my hair, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I made this oil. What's up my beautiful people, good day, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this Ayurvedic oil using a really cheap oil. Doesn't matter which oil that I prefer to use. You can use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, any oil that your hair loves. Okay, all we just need it is as a carrier oil to extract the nutrients from these herbs. So to begin with, I'm going to add my black seed to my blender, followed by my rosemary leaves. So I'm using dried rosemary leaves because that is what is available in my area, and also because for this oil I prefer dry leaves. Alright then, so I'm going to add my ginger. Also this ginger, I diced it and I sun it under the sun for 2 days, and that is why it's looking so dry. Remember that I said I prefer dried herbs for this oil. Then after adding my ginger, I am going to go ahead and add my cloves. Alright, so after that I will blend it before I will add the rest of the ingredients. Alright guys, so if you're stopping by for the first time, you are highly welcomed. In this channel I do everything natural hair because I am a natural hair lover. If you're a natural hair lover like me, please hit the subscribe button to stay connected. Don't forget to press the notification bell for an update. To my returning viewers, you guys are so amazing and I can't take you all for granted. Please don't forget to like this video as it will help my channel a lot. Thank you. So then I'm going to add my moringa powder to the container. The reason why I didn't add it initially is because it's already in a powdered form. There was no need to blend it. So after adding my moringa powder, I'm going to then add oil. Okay, this is the carrier oil that I choose to use. You can use any of those oils that I mentioned earlier if that is what you prefer or what you have. So after mixing it properly, I'm going to then transfer it to a stainless plate for the double boiling method. The reason why I will not be doing my double boiling method with this glass jar is because I don't trust that it will overcome the pressure of double boiling method. Alright then, so here I'm going to add the last ingredient, which is bay leaf. Okay, after adding the bay leaf, I'm going to transfer it to my pots where I already have water sitting on it, and I'm going to cook it for 30 to 40 minutes. I know that it seems a lot, but really it is not. If you're looking for a cheap way to make hair growth oil without breaking the bank, you should give this method a try. The herbs that I used in this video has been noted for stimulating hair growth, so they all have amazing hair nutrients that will benefit your hair greatly. Alright guys, so after cooking it on a medium heat for 30 to 40 minutes, this is what the oil is looking like. So now I'm going to transfer it back to the jar because I'm going to be leaving it on my kitchen counter for 2 days before I will strain it finally. Please remember to seal the mouth with a foil paper to prevent any insects or any form of dirt from entering inside, and also to help it to infuse better. 2 days later, this is what the oil is looking like. Can you see how thick it is looking? This is because I left it to infuse properly. Okay, so then I'm going to strain it. I'll strain the first using just a normal sieve, and then I'll strain it again using a very tight sieve. So this oil is safe to use on your scalp because of all these amazing herbs, but I don't recommend you using it every day so that it will not clog your pores. You know, too much of everything can be bad. The reason why I don't recommend using these herbs every day is because of how thick it is. If you feel like it's too thick for your hair and it might weigh your hair down, depending on the type of hair that you have, you can reduce some of the herbs that I use, or you can add them all directly without blending it. For the moringa, you can choose to use the dried moringa leaves instead of the moringa powder, because all these herbs in a powdered form help thicken the oil. All right. Alright guys, so after you finish sieving the oil, you go ahead and bottle your oil in any applicator bottle that you prefer. I prefer one with a nozzle cap, and your oil is ready. Like I said, use on your scalp, use on your hair, use to seal in your moisture, use to do your hot oil treatment, use to pre-poo your hair, use to deep condition your hair. That's add in your deep conditioner. It is good for all this. I hope that you love and enjoy this video. If you do, please remember to give me a thumbs up, and with that, I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed and stay healthy. See you.